Today I got a package from Alloyman Tools. And if you didn't know, Alloyman Tools has been producing cordless tools since 2002, way back then, before the iPhone. And they are one of the leading innovators in the lithium ion tool industry. So let's open up this package, see what they sent, and see what it can do. All right. That is exciting. Look at the, like, it's way better than just a blank cardboard box. Wow, this is a nice design. Usually they come in those brown boxes, very generic. Here they've made their own packaging. 480 foot-pounds. Industrial use. 1-year warranty. Comes with one battery, 4 amp hour, 20 volt, lithium ion. If you have any questions about the product, please contact by email. Look at this. Not just customer service. The CEO, you're contacting the CEO at alloyman.us. That is great that the CEO is so involved in their tools, that they're willing to do troubleshooting. Check out the back. Same thing. All right. Very nice box. Well, they even got their own boxes. Alloyman, 20 volt, 4 amp hour professional tools. It's a very cute box. Look at the stars. Oh, they're screws. They're supposed to be screws, I think. Maybe, I'm not sure. Open. Proper fastening torque. Alloyman instruction manual. 20 volt max cordless leaf blower. That's cool. Wear protection. Here is the charger. 3 pins. Current. 2 amps output. Alright, let's check out the battery. Alloyman 20 volt max. 3 slots. It can take the charge here as well. No delay on the button, so you have to hold it down. Some batteries have a delay, like DeWalt's. No, Milwaukee's. Look, check this out. See, this Milwaukee battery has a bit of a delay, then it goes off. Alright, so that's the battery. Here's the tool. Nice, comes with some extensions and oh yeah, 2 extensions. Oh, a third extension. Extensions are not cheap. Chrome vanadium. .22, very thin socket. And it's pinned. Comes with a pin. They all come with a pin. Very interesting. Has the band and the pin. See? That is a 19 mil. This is a 17. Very light, super thin wall. This is a 21. Very useful. This comes with a lot of stuff. Again, it's pinned. 20. 18. Pinned. Very nice. That's the first pinned socket I've ever seen before. Here's the impact. Alloyman. Has a light. It's a friction ring. Very interesting. Brushless. Good to know. All right, here is a Makita battery. Let's first check if this fits. Yes, it does. Very nice, it fits. So Makita fits. Let's put the Alloyman one. Very nice click. Here is the selector. And I guess that is an extra charge light. Really smooth trigger. It's variable trigger, so if you're buying one of these, you shouldn't really worry about the settings anyway, because you can just control the power with the trigger. All right, very nice. So that's an unboxing of the Alloyman impact wrench. I don't know if there is a model name for this one, because I know they have a couple of impacts. So it is on Amazon. I'm not sure what the model is. WP31XT, maybe. So anyways, let's try this thing out.